What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Bitcoin overview. We're going to dive in to see what could happen over the weekend. I've got some interesting things to show you guys with the S&P 500. I know I'm on the daily time frame, but I want us to start here because I think I can show you guys some things, honestly, that are a little bearish, but I'll show you some reasonings of why this can just be simply a drop down before a bigger uptrend. I'll go into stuff that I haven't shown you guys before. Honestly, it's gonna be pretty cool. All right, 117 wins and 0 losses. That's our current track record. We are currently undefeated. Us versus crypto, we're undefeated. So we have the highest win rate on all of YouTube that we can find, possibly ever in crypto. So guys, come over and trade with us. I think you'll really like it. It's been really fun. I have my own personal money in here. I trade with $150,000. We're up close to $7,000 in the account, which is super awesome. A lot of accounts are down 30 to 40%, but we've been doing really well. Heads up, I am going to be looking to call an exit soon on Bitcoin. I'm looking to call an exit soon on Ethereum because we're up 2.37%. Avalanche, we're up 2.51%. Solana, we are pretty much break even right now. And then Luna, we're up about it might have squeaked into the threes here. 3.56%. Watch for exits on these coins, guys, because I will be calling them out in the Telegram channel. You guys want to come over and trade with us? Here you guys go. I'll make this fast because I want to dive into the analysis. $95 a month. You guys get access to all the metrics I'm going to go over in today's video. Telegram channel gives you all the entries, all the exits. The master classes are yours. The community chat, which is super awesome to hang out in. Get to meet other fellow traders who are winning. And literally not a single member who has traded with us and copied us has ever lost a trade, ever. It's really awesome. You guys can talk to them about that in the community chat. It's just up here. So make sure you guys snag a subscription. You guys will really love this. So without further ado, guys, let's jump in. And let's start talking about this. This will be super fun. All right, let's go to crypto charts and let's go to Bitcoin and let's take a look at this. I want you guys to be looking at this. A few different things here. Retail traders, yes, we're above the 50 and the 100, but we just moved down below the 200 moving average on the day. Okay, when you're below the 200-day moving average, this is a bearish sign, and we did actually drop down right at the 200. Look at this. When trend exhaustion was high and well money flow high on the daily, we were looking for moves down. Boom, we got it there. Last time we got up here, look at this, guys. It's calling market drops with ridiculous accuracy. This is why a lot of people have our indicators, and you guys can get them in the description. They're 82% off. Snag them at will. When you see price action make a high and another high, this is called a higher high formation, and the green line, well money flow, is moving down in the same duration, you need to watch for crypto drops. Doesn't matter what you guys are trading on. These indicators will work on all your crypto. You need to watch for drop when that happens. Okay, even moves up like this where you see highs and higher highs and the market's like, oh, we're going up. No, well money flow heading down that same duration, guys, watch for the drop back down. Okay, it is very evident over here when you guys see this high and a higher high. People are getting excited, and you see a high and a lower high on well money flow. This is showing that money's literally moving out of the market for those coins, and that's how you can predict some drops. Okay, let me bring us to the 4-hour time frame, and I want to dive into the S&P 500 and show you guys some correlations of what I'm looking at here. I'm going to get this chart really big so we can see this. We've got some fun room to play with here. Okay, let's go to the S&P 500. We can see over here on the S&P that when we peaked out here, we peaked out right at about, let's say, 462. Okay, this was on March 29th. Okay, you take the top and you look at where, the bottom was. It's very close to like 2.77%. Okay, around 2.7. This 2.7% drop in the S&P, follow me guys, S&P 500, the SPY, okay, 2.7 drop, same duration, same time frame from the top of Bitcoin moving down here. What we're going to look at here is we're looking at this move right there. It was about an 8% drop. Okay, kind of drastic, 2.7 to an 8% drop. Now, I want to bring us back over here. Let's go back to the S&P 500 and look at this. This is a nice correction. I was really hoping we would bounce from this support here or this support here. We did not. We kept moving down. But right now, what we're heading down to, what we did bounce from, is this guy right here, which has been my bounce zone on here for probably just over a week and a half. All right, the next support after this, if we crash here, is this support right here around these structures that you guys can see, and it's around 140. All right, what kind of percentage move down do we see getting there? Probably right around the same move, around 2.65, 2.7, maybe 2.35, around the same move. So could we see, if we correlate this back to what Bitcoin has done, could we be seeing another 8% drop in Bitcoin? I think that's possible. Let's come out here and actually forecast and see what that would look like on the charts. If you come here and you look at an 8% drop, it actually puts us dead on at where we've been calling this, at this structure support right here. Okay, if you guys watched the video I did yesterday, this is what I've been looking at for a while. I know it's moving back up and people are, kind of hedging their bets a little bit. S&P is going down and Bitcoin's going up. But if we cannot get Bitcoin to break above this high here and then push above 50,000, if that happens, guys, we're bullish. Like, this is really good. But if it doesn't and we start seeing moves back down, this is the target we need to be watching for right here, which is right around 42,700. I've been talking about this a lot on the videos, okay? Looking at the trend exhaustion, money flow. When we move down here, you guys were looking for the market moves back up. If you guys followed our strategy where you guys get in here and take a scalping trade for 3 to 4%, when this dipped down, which is right here, let me get down exactly where that dipped down. I'm looking at the bottom there. You guys didn't get in at the bottom. Nobody did. But if you guys are in there, you guys have already taken, you guys are probably you already won your 3% trade. But if you're waiting for 4%, you guys are probably going to win that trade easily. Great job. Not a single person who's used our scalping strategy has ever lost, or our main strategy. You guys have you've never lost a trade. Isn't that ridiculous? It's pretty crazy. If you guys want to know how to use that scalping strategy, once you have a membership, go to the master classes, scroll all the way down, watch these other ones because they're really good. You guys will learn a ton of stuff. I've literally taught hedge funds worth billions of dollars this stuff. This is the masterclass 7 of how to scalp, and literally no one's lost a trade since they've traded with us. Market's going up. It's just pretty easy to understand when we release that class like back here, and pretty much everybody is just in the profit. I'll teach you guys how to trade with good risk management, so if the market does go down, you'll be safe as well. Okay, let's take a look at the metrics now and get a little more in depth here. The emotional index has been pushed up to greedy and excited. When this happens, I love to just come back here. Literally, I do this for fun sometimes. I literally just come in here and I do this. I circle it. I'm like, okay, what has happened in the past when we get to these areas? I wonder if history is going to repeat itself. Look at this, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4 times in a row. 5th time? Yeah, we're going to get a drop. We're going to drop back down. So those of you guys who are like, hey, I'm going to FOMO in here because I think it's going to go to the moon, use the metrics to actually save yourself a little bit of a percentage in here, a little bit. That's like 5 to 6% in here, and then get into the trade, okay? Long trades are completely heading out of the market. And honestly, short trades are moving out too. So this is interesting. Long trades are like, nope, we're out of here. Like, we probably think the price is going to go down. Yeah, the price did go down, but short trades are decreasing as well. So short guys are like, no, we don't think this price is going to go down. We think it's going to go up. So they take their short trades out of the market. Long guys are like, no, we don't think it's going to go up. It's going to go down. Like, literally, it's a stalemate right now and nobody knows really what to do. This is, when you see both of these going down, it's like, okay, like who's going to win here? Let's go over more data. Let's do this. Market cap strength. Market cap, while price action has been moving up here, market cap has been moving down. Okay, people are selling their Bitcoin and they're placing their money in other altcoins. You guys need to understand this, because when the market starts going up and creating higher highs like it did right here, and in the same duration you see market cap moving down, this is a precursor for a drop back down in the market. You need to understand how this is read here. When you see price action moving up here and you see market cap moving down in the same duration, you're going to get a drop back down. Okay, price action moving up, you see in the same duration that the market cap is moving down, you're going to get drops back down in the market. Price action moving down, market cap moving up, you're going to get moves back up in the market, okay? This over here is why I've been predicting this and being strong about this, guys. I think we're going to see a 10% drop right back down to the 42,700. I still think that's possible. The nice thing that we have here is that we actually pushed back up. And again, you have to break structure high to make this an uptrend. You've got it. So we're really watching that. But overall, guys, money is flowing out of Bitcoin right now. That's not a bullish sign for Bitcoin, honestly. Trades in favor over here, sitting in the good short trade area. That came out right at the top here. Said great short trade. Here's how, I don't feel like I do this. I don't do this metric justice at all. Here's how you guys use this. If you wake up in the morning and you've got some like dough that you want to put into the market, and you're like, hey, I want to trade today. And you're honest with yourself. I feel stimulated. I want some excitement. I want to place a trade today. Okay, before you place a trade, look at what trades are in favor. Is it a long trade? No. The favor lies on short trades. Favor lied on short trades here, and look at the amount of favor you had on the market going down. Good short trade. Look at the amount of favor you had going down. Are you going to take a long trade? And this is so funny because retail traders do this all the time. They say it's going up. I'm going to take a long trade. Look at that. No, you guys would have lost like so much money if you did a long trade right there. Look at this. If you would have taken a long trade and FOMO'd in, you would have lost so much money. If you would have just waited for this to come down to good long trade, the amount of money you make going back up here is so much more money if you're waiting to look for what trades are in favor. Guys, it's probably the most underrated metric that we have, and I don't talk about it enough. But look at this metric before you guys place trades. I'm not a financial advisor. I want to make that clear. But Guys, come on. This stuff's going to make you money. All right. Well, institutional smart money. These guys came out here and were compiling the shorts like crazy. Yes, this thing had to have a drop over here. We saw this happening over here and calling this out in the consolidation period before any of this right here was even present on the chart. We saw that because of this accumulation. So you guys can brag to your friends and be like, hey, I think a drop is coming. Well, institutional smart money shorting right now. And then they wake up the next day and they see a 7% drop. They're like, how did you do that? How did you do it? Well, we have metrics on tradeconfident.io that helped us. So, well, here's something interesting. Like in all seriousness though, what's happening here, you guys can see this, is that this is actually pulling back to the center line really fast. And when this happens, it shows short trades are no longer in favor for institutions, wells, and smart money. Okay, when that happens, you guys are going to start seeing them buy, and that's why the price is going to start going back up. Literally, look at this. Well, money flow. They sold up here. They sold, and now it's down at the bottom. They're buying again. That's why, again, these metrics are going to help you guys trade so much more accurately. These indicators are in the description. They're 82% off. Snag them today. It's a crazy discount we got going on. All right, let's finish this, and I'll get you guys into a trade setup. Support resistance prices. The next resistance, 48,240. We all know that. It's just right here. We got to break that to keep an uptrend. Dollar cost average entries. If you guys took any of these, good job. You guys are doing super, super well. So if you guys took those, the average entry, we had some go off down here. I would say the average entry is probably right about here. So you guys are setting up about 20.62% right now on that trade. You know, guys, honestly, if I was in your case, I would actually sell about 50% right now if you got in down here. I'm personally going to wait to exit because I'm just going to wait till, Bitcoin's in the profit here. I'm not in Bitcoin, just so you guys know this. I don't hold a single Bitcoin. I just want to make everything transparent here. I'm going for USD. So I can make more money trading altcoins because structures are, when a structure moves on Bitcoin and a structure moves on a lower priced altcoin, you can actually make more money. I did a full video actually comparing all of our coins, and Bitcoin was the lowest amount of money. It was the lowest percentage growth on your account if you were trading for dollars, like USD. Okay, I don't know if that makes sense, but like if you take this structure, like, okay, Bitcoin headed down 6% here. If you look at the altcoins, some of them headed down like 12, 13%. But at the same time, when crypto moves up, Bitcoin may move up 3 to 4%. Some of the alts will move up like literally 8 to 10, maybe 12%. So altcoins are a better place to be, in my opinion, if you guys are looking to acquire USD, which is what I'm doing. Okay, look at this. We are so close, guys. Next week, if we break above the 200-day moving average, this could get pretty bullish because this was the resistance that we stopped on, was the 200-day moving average. If we do that and we see this green line come above the red here, this is what's technically called in the trading sphere a golden cross. Really good sign that the market's going to start moving back up. That is why if we break this, we then break the 200-day moving average, we then get close to breaking 50,000, and then we actually are close to seeing a golden cross. All three of those together, guys, could easily start pushing Bitcoin into the second and third quarter of this year up to $70,000. That's my target this year, is 70,000. It's not 100, it's not 90, it's not 80. I really do think we can just get right around to this area by the end of the year is where I think. And so that's my target. We will do tens of thousands of dollars if that hits. So, okay, let me get you guys into a trade setup. Here's how we trade and how we've never lost a single trade ever. You can see the exact setup that I have over here. We have 4 buy limits: buy limit 1, buy limit 2, buy limit 3, buy limit 4. We hit 3 buy limits. Our break-even entry, which is in blue right here, labeled break-even, has moved down as we hit buy limits. Watch this. Choose the amount that you want to enter each of our trades with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions. $250. Place $250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, guys. Once your first buy limit is hit, set a sell limit up in green for a 100% exit. That's it. That's all you guys are doing. If you don't like the sell limit, that's awesome. Follow me in Telegram. Just follow me in Telegram and I will call an exit for Bitcoin, every single one of these. Literally, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Look at this one. I'm going to call an exit here for this when it gets up to about 6-7%. I'm going to call an exit on AVAX soon. I'm going to call an exit on Solana. I'm going to call an exit on Luna soon. Guys, all these trades are in the profit. Once they exit, I'm just going to tell you guys when I'm getting back in, and you can join on those next trades. Literally, we've never lost a trade, guys, and this is super, super fun. All right, so make sure you have a membership and you're signed up over here, and you definitely get into the Telegram. Telegram access obviously is over here if you guys just click Telegram. I won't click it because it shows the link, but it's a hot link. Once you click it, it'll literally just open Telegram for you, and once you're logged into Telegram, and it'll give you guys access straight in here where I'm calling all the exits as well as when I'm getting back into coins. Last but not least, guys, I talked about this already, but you guys can get our bundle pack. It's 82% off today if you guys want to snag this. This is going to give you the indicators that we're using. The bundle pack gives gives you all 9 of our indicators here, 2 Forex indicators that have never been coded on TradingView before, which is super awesome. The pressure gauge, literally this is our jokingly called the jackpot indicator, but the 3 that you guys really need to copy me are these 3 right here. They're 40% off, but if you guys get the bundle pack, you're gonna get an extra 42% off on top of that. So really, it's like an incredible deal we got going on right now. So snag that, guys. It's in the description. It's a one-time purchase. You get the source code to all the indicators for life. Nobody can take these indicators away from you. They are yours for life, guys. All right. So have an amazing day. Here, those are my targets, guys. As far as a drop back down, you need to be watching the S&P 500 to come to 42,700. And if we break above this area and we get into anything above $50,000, guys, it's going to be like game on. Like above $50,000, the next strongest resistance is right here. And that puts us right at this level of about $58,000. So if the market moves up there, we're going to be doing a lot of money. So I hope you guys are following us because we're going to take a lot of wins here. Probably literally within the next 4 or 5 days, I wouldn't doubt if 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades win for us and we're back into trades and you guys are making money with us. So if you're literally like, I want to make money, come and trade with us right now and you guys will take advantage of all that. So have a great weekend, guys. God bless you. Have an amazing, amazing weekend. Rest with your family. Go have fun. And I'll see you guys back here on Monday. If you have any questions, email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com and we'll help you out. All right, guys, have a good one. The membership's available. Jump in over there. Hang out in the chat as long as you guys want. Talk to other members, and I will see you guys later. All right, bye, guys.